Today we're making vegan ricotta and spinach cannelloni. This is one of our favourite wintertime recipes. It is so delicious, it's super nutritious, and it's actually a lot easier than you'd think to make. It's an ideal recipe for around the holiday season. It would be great on Christmas, on New Year's Day. It is so delicious and it's so special looking. Welcome back to my Sunshine Kitchen. Let's cook this cannelloni. We need 250 grams of spinach. You can use frozen or fresh. I've got frozen today. And 3 garlic cloves. I like to slice these. To start, we're going to fry up the spinach and the garlic together to get it gorgeous and tasty. 5-7 minutes, this should do fine. I'm setting the spinach aside to cool while we make the really quick and easy vegan ricotta. I love this vegan ricotta. It's very simple with so few ingredients. It's really quick to make. Yesterday I soaked 350 grams of raw cashews. Overnight these become much fatter and they become so creamy when they're being blended. Add the soaked cashews. Five tablespoons of nutritional yeast to make it extra cheesy. 2 medium cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, around 230 millilitres of water, some salt and pepper. And that's all the ingredients we need for the vegan ricotta. It's time to blend. I blend this only for a few minutes. It doesn't need to be blended for as long as, say, a cheese sauce, because it can be that bit thicker for a ricotta. That is a perfect ricotta flavour. When you're happy your ricotta is ready, mix the ricotta and the spinach together and let's fill the cannelloni. Filling the cannelloni can be a little bit tricky unless you have a technique. My technique is I cut off the top of the packet from the cannelloni, stand them up in it, and then they're easy to fill. To fill the cannelloni with the vegan ricotta, you can use a Ziploc bag, or if you have a piping bag, even better. I'm going to use the piping bag today. Getting the nozzle really quite far down, because you want to fill it all the way from the bottom. You want to really fill these cannelloni. You don't want any air gaps. The more filling, the better. The thing I love about this dish, and it's particularly helpful around the holiday season, is it can be made ahead of time. Today I'm making 2 dinners. I'm making tonight's dinner and tomorrow night's. Now the cannelloni stuffed, we need to make a quick and simple, tasty tomato sauce. Frying up 1 large onion, very finely diced. When this turns translucent, I'll add in my bulb of crushed garlic. Just love the smell of garlic and onion. After a couple of minutes, I'll throw in 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. Throw in a little salt and cook this tomato onion mix down for about 5-10 minutes. This smells amazing now. When the tomato, onion and garlic are nicely cooked down like this, add in 2 cartons of tomato juice, passata. Half a tube of double concentrate tomato puree. Turn the heat right down if it's spitting. I'm not a huge basil fan, so I add half a teaspoon. Add 200 millilitres of water to make the sauce a little thinner. This amount of cannelloni makes 2 nights' dinners for us. Pour some of the tomato sauce across the base of each baking dish. And then carefully add the cannelloni.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town.
And now we have 2 beautiful vegan ricotta and spinach cannelloni bakes. I bake these in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, I sprinkle a little bit of grated vegan cheese over the top. Add it back to the oven for 2-3 minutes on 150 to 180 degrees Celsius, and then it's ready to serve. If you enjoyed today's recipe video, please hit that like button, and if you plan to make this recipe, leave me a comment. Subscribe for weekly plant-based vegan recipes. Next week, I'm sharing my mini vegan cheesecakes. See you next time. Bye!